What is the bell icon on your Apple Watch? So here you can see if I swipe up to open up the control center, there is a bell icon. I can tap on that. If I tap on that, it goes into red with a line crossed through. Now this is basically allowed to put your watch into silent mode, which means your watch will not chime or beep, but it will vibrate. So it will vibrate to notify you if you have notifications or some sort of event. And you can tap on it to turn it off or turn it on. If I tap on this means my watch is now going to silent mode. And if I tap onto it right now, this means it will go back to normal mode. And it will alert me if I receive notifications or other type of alerts. And that's it. That's basically what it does. It just simply allows you to switch on or switch off silent mode. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.